Custom loss problem. Inputs to eager execution function cannot be keras symbolic tensors but found. My code to use TensorFlow keras custom loss, using additional input data to calculate loss, is as follows. When doing model.fit, I got error, inputs to eager execution function cannot be keras symbolic tensors, but found, tf.tensor input underscore 19:0 shape equals none, 1, type equals float 32. Following this URL, I did, tf.config.experimental underscore run underscore functions underscore eagerly true. Then I got error, cannot convert a symbolic tensor, truedive underscore 20:0, to a numpy array. Please note that I followed inputs to eager execution function cannot be keras symbolic tensors to change my code. My original code is, unpack inp and w from one input. The error I got with slash without tf.config.experimental underscore run underscore functions underscore eagerly true is same as above. What I can do? Thanks. Update, got this error when using code from the below post.
This is a workaround to pass additional arguments to a custom loss function, in your case an array of weights. The trick consists in using fake inputs which are useful to build and use the loss in the correct ways. Don't forget that keras handles fixed batch dimension. I provide a dummy example and a regression problem. This can be easily modified according to your needs.